Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TCON. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. And all of a sudden, kind of the final 30 minutes, I'll be honest, when I last looked at it, I was planning on taking and talking about all this from a whole different angle. But then the last 30 minutes, like I said, showed up where not only did you have a whole bunch of selling, but you also had essentially the biggest volume on the day. So am I going to say this totally, the chart is totally ruined? That's going a little bit too far, but there's definitely, that I would say that's more than a valid question going forward. Now, I was questioning whether or not this whole move was kind of some sort of just fake pump and dump move or what. I don't know, like I said, but in my mind, there's a very important level to watch going forward, and that's right there at $1.18. Why is $1.18 important? Well, hopefully we can, and I should note this, that I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but hopefully we can agree that if this were to occur, yeah, that's not a very good sign. And that is, let's say the price were to drop below $1.18 and then continue on down. At that point in time, what would it be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of the range where it was before the big breakout happened. And again, hopefully we can agree on this point that, well, yeah, price movements that go back to where they were, that's not exactly a sign of true strength. I mean, that's literally the exact opposite of what a truly strong move would do. A truly strong move is going to make at least some sort of form of progress going forward. And that's what $1.18 is representing, because if the price were to go down to $1.18, however, in this scenario, behave like that and start to work its way back upwards, then what would you have from the bigger picture of things? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have lows down there. If you envision those as stair steps, well, then at that point, you would actually still have progress going in the upwards direction, and that's what you want to see. So that's why I'm a little hesitant to say the chart is totally ruined, because to be fair, to the bulls from the bigger picture viewpoint, the price does still have an opportunity to build a higher base. So that's definitely going to be a key dynamic going forward. So a lot of eyeballs going to be watching right around that $1.18 mark. So let's see if the price can actually start to make some progress, or if the price is headed right back to where it was.
One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.